Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Spending just a few months in Antarctica can shrink your brain. Smoking can void your Apple product warranties. A queen termite can live up to 50 years. Walt Disney World would fit inside Canada 81,975 times. Black apples really exist and are called black diamond apples found in Tibet. Stars don't really twinkle. If all of the water on Earth fell as rain at once, the entire planet would get 1 inch of precipitation. Cows moo with regional accents. The universe has a color named cosmic light. The Cookie Monster has a real name called Sid. China censored the word for censorship. You can use Amazon for charity by using Amazon Smile. Many phones attach GPS data to your photos by default. The blob of toothpaste that sits on your toothbrush has a name called nodule. There is an American village named Monovie, Nebraska, with a population of 1. Someone actually paid $10,000 for invisible artwork. There are more life forms on your body than people on Earth. Killer whales are not whales, they are dolphins. Bug spray does not repel mosquitoes. You will yawn more often than you eat breakfast. To cook an egg, a sidewalk needs to be 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Pigeon feces was once the property of the British Crown. Your skin is your largest organ. Some apples can weigh about as much as a half gallon of milk. Less than 1% of Antarctica is ice-free. Enough Mickey Mouse ears are sold each year to cover the head of every person in Orange Country, Florida. You would not be able to tolerate the quietest place on earth for more than 45 minutes. Cockroaches can survive decapitation. Nearly one-third of Alaska lies within the Arctic Circle. The entire population of Central Europe during the Stone Age would have fit on a cruise ship. There is a mail route in Alabama that requires a boat. Green Bay, Washington is known as the toilet paper capital of the world. US paper money contains hundreds of species of microorganisms. Baseball umpires used to sit in rocking chairs. It would take 22.7 years to eat at every restaurant in New York City. More than 95% of passengers involved in plane crashes survive. In Michigan, you are never further than 6 miles from a body of water. You can see 4 states from the top of Chicago's Willis Tower. Dextrophobia is the fear of having objects to your right. There is an island in Japan almost entirely populated by bunnies. Pizza Hut used to buy more kale than anyone in the US. A British man created an all-Lego house. The word computer was used to refer to a person in the 1600s. There are 7 US towns named after Santa. Shakespeare popularized the name Jessica. About 1 out of every 2,000 babies is born with a tooth. There is a town in western New York populated by psychics. A cat's ear has 32 muscles. Thanks for watching.